Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a loose battery terminal that isn't connecting good. Somebody put screws in here to try to fix it. I'm going to show you how to fix it the proper way, guys, using this incredible product, a battery shim, guys. You can get these at Napa for $2. And what this does is if your battery terminal stretches and you tighten it all the way and it's still loose, right? This makes the battery terminal bigger. Let me quickly show you how to install this properly. There's a few tricks. Step number one, guys, you got to disconnect the negative battery terminal, and then we're going to disconnect this just using a 10 mil. So I'm disconnecting both the terminals. Okay, so first of all, I am installing a new battery, but in your case, if you were reusing your old battery, once you got the terminals off, you would grab some rough sandpaper and you would sand the terminals a bit to make them like bare metal. See, look, so you want them like that. Just like that. So you go around and you would sand it so there's a good connection. So that's step number one, and you would do that to both of them. Okay, then step number two, you make a little roll and see the battery terminals inside both of them. You put it in and you sand these as well to get a good connection. You want a nice clean connection. You don't want any corrosion. See, just like that. That is perfect. So we're going to do that to this one, and we're going to do that to the broken stretched one as well. So off camera, I'm just going to sand inside of there right now. Okay, so now anytime you're working on the positive terminal, putting it on, taking it off, make sure the negative one is disconnected. The reason for that is this is positive and this is negative, and the whole entire car is negative, literally all metal on the car. So for example, if you're tightening this bolt and you accidentally hit a piece of metal with your wrench, it's actually going to short out and spark, and you're going to create a short. So make sure this is disconnected. Okay, so now moving on to this battery terminal, right? So it's stretched out. So just putting on the shim onto this, see, just like this, goes on just like that. See, now the shim is on. So this is bigger, but the problem is a lot of times this doesn't want to fit on there. So what you have to do is you got to unscrew this all the way, unscrew this all the way. Then you put a screwdriver in here and you got to open this up. Let me show you. Okay, let's back the screw up. Okay, that should do it. Then you put in a screwdriver, see, and you're gonna open it up. See what I mean? Gotta open it up enough so it fits over the shim, guys. That should do it. So that should fit over there now. Yeah, it will. Okay, so now there's one more step, guys. You can use dielectric grease, or you can just use Vaseline, guys. So you take some Vaseline, see, on your finger like this. You lift up the shim, and you put some on here. This prevents it from corroding and getting all rusty and corroding and stuff. So you put some on there, you put some on here, you put some on inside the terminals, this one and this one. Okay, let's put it on and see if she works. Okay, ready, guys? Look at that, it's tight already, even with it being opened up. So this is totally working. Yeah, I'm gonna open that a little bit more and squeeze it on, guys. Okay, look at that. She's on there. Let's tighten up that screw, and I'm gonna say she's fixed, guys. Okay, let's tighten her up. So you don't want to tighten it all the way. You want to tighten it just so you can't spin it. So you can still spin it, so a little bit more. There you go, guys. So that is done. And this one never had any issues with it. So you just put this one on, guys. So that is how you fix a battery terminal, guys, with a shim, a battery terminal shim from Napa. Please subscribe.